Good morning, students. The lesson number 8, multiples and factors are going on better. So let's see some questions on multiples and factors. And the question is, without dividing, find dividing which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. So see children, without dividing means if you divide a number by 2 and you will get if 0, then the number is divisible by 2. But here without dividing, you have to find out which numbers are divisible by 2 or not. See children, the criteria for the divisibility test of 2 was, I taught you, if the unit place having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If any numbers unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so that number is completely divisible by 2. Now see children, A, it has unit place 6. Yes. 0, yes. 3, 5, 7, unit place has 7. So it is not divisible by 2. 5 not, 7 not, 3 not. Yes, 2 and 6. Means you have to see the unit placed is 0, 2, 4 or 6, 8 or not. Got it, children? See the next question. Now taste the divisibility of the following. Of the following. Numbers by 2. Okay, so these are the questions and you have to find which of is completely divisible by 3. Now see children, what is the criteria to find out the divisibility by 3? You have to add all the numbers. And if their sum is the multiple of 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Means sum of the number is divisible by 3. 9, 0, yes, 9. 3 plus 9, 12. Yes. 4 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 1, 6, 9. 10 and 1, 6, 16. 16 is not the multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Yes. 4 plus 1, 5. No. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 19. 13045. The sum is 30. See, in this way, 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 5. In this way, you have to add 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 30. And 30 is not the multiple of 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 3. Got it, beta? See the next question. Test the divisibility of the following by 5. Okay. So the criteria for the divisibility by 5 is the unit place must have either 0 or 5. Only two numbers allowed in the unit place, 0 or 5. See, yes, it is a single number and unit place is 5. Yes, this number is divisible by 5. 9, 5. See the unit place. Yes. Here the unit place having 6. No, so this number is not divisible by 5. Unit place having 5, so this number is divisible by 5. Okay, so next question is question number 4. Pick up numbers. Sorry, 2 and 3. So what is the criteria for the number divisible by 2 as well as 3? And that is what? It is the divisibility test for 6. If a number is divisible by 2 as well as 3, then it is divisible by 6 also. Okay, see children. So let us see for the 2. 2 means unit place either have unit place must have 0, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So see children, 0, 2, 0. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay. So what is given? 4. It is also cancelled. This number is also cancelled. Why? Because they are having 5 in the unit place. Okay. So from the rest of the numbers, yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Because it has 0 in its unit place. Okay. So is granted for 2. Now see 1 plus 1, 2. So it is not divisible by 3. Yes, this is divisible by 2, but is not divisible by 3. Yes, 2 unit place having 2. So it is divisible by 2. Now find out the sum. 6 plus 5, 13. Okay, sum is 13. So it is not divisible by 3. Okay. 900. Yes, it is divisible by 2. But 9 is not the, yes, 9. Sum is 9. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Yes, unit place having 2 in it, so it is divisible by 2. Now find out the sum. 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. 12. So sum is 20 beta. So it is also not divisible by 3. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So it is divisible by 2 but not. So only 1 is the number which is divisible by both 2 and 3. So let's see some more questions on it. H I Okay. So see children, 4, 6, 8, 4, 2 and 6. That means what? All are divisible by 2. Now let's see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 4 plus 2, 6. Yes, it is a multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. 3 plus 8. It is unit place is 2. It is divisible by 2. But 2, 8 plus 3. 11. So it is not divisible by 2 as well as 3. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So yes. 4 plus 6, 10. So it is divisible by 2 but not 3. 5 plus 4. Yes. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4. Yes. Got it, beta? So I am giving you one homework to solve. Apply the divisibility test. See, question is changed. So here I am writing 2 and 5, both 2 and 5. It is homework for you. Okay. So here we will stop, children. Bye bye, beta.